This is not a test, and this is not a drill. An emergency has been issued by Roblox Moderation. An unknown figure has recently been kidnapping children and adults. Bodies have been found in ditches and drainage pipes. It is advised to stay indoors, lock your windows, and lock your doors. Do not leave your house alone. Do not leave your house at night. This is not a test, and this is not a drill. An emergency has been issued by Roblox Moderation. A Robloxian that goes by TigerStar1 Blue Star, or better known as Deputy Tenji, has been abducted by a male man in jean pants, who the community named Epic Skeleton Cool. Epic Skeleton Cool is suspected for the other recent kidnappings and murders in the town of Robloxia. Lock your doors, lock your windows. A curfew has been mandated at 9 p.m. If you suspect that Epic Skeleton Cool is in your neighborhood, do not hesitate to call 208-12-3111-1111. 11111111111.